Hey, what's up everybody? This is your buddy Pellin and Hawthorne here with another unboxing. This shit from Ashland, Virginia from VitaminShop.com. And there's a little bit of mold. A couple of my Vitamin Shop boxes have had some mold on them. I don't know what that's all about, but it's kind of annoying. I don't know why, but I love Vitamin Shop. They have some really good deals. That's usually where I get some of my protein stuff. Maybe it's a cleaning product. I don't know, but I don't know. That kind of just spurted up. That's what she said. Not really good. Kind of pissed off, Vitamin Shop. Yeah, it looks like mold. Kind of really disgusting. But the cans look fine. So I ordered some energy drinks. These are sugar-free Bang energy drinks, Frose Rose. And Sour Head. So got a case of that. Yeah, you can see like the box came in pretty moldy. Like, what the hell? My cat's saying hi. But yeah, so yeah, some of these cans have it too, I think. So we're definitely going to be taking these out and sanitizing these. My cat says hi. I want to say thanks to everyone watching my videos. I don't know what's up with Vitamin Shop right now, but I did another unboxing and another one of their packages had mold on it. So I don't know what's up with that, but normally they give a terrific product, and any issues I've ever had, they've taken care of. So I'm going to slide up in their DMs. Speaking of which, if you want to help support my YouTube channel, slide up in my DMs. If you have an energy drink that doesn't have mold on it, slide up in my DMs and you can figure out a way to send it my way, and I'll do a taste test and review. If you want to see my opinion on these specific flavors, you can subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and then in my search bar, you can type in whatever flavor, Frose, Rose, Sour Heads, and you can see my taste test and review. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, please share, and have a great day.